Hello teacher. Are you looking for a way to gather valuable feedback and insights from your students, parents, and colleagues? Google Forms provides a convenient solution for teachers to do just that. Step 1. Go to Google Drive and click on the New button. From the drop-down menu, select Google Forms. Step 2. Give your form a title and add a brief description of what you would like parents to provide feedback on. Step 3. Add a question. Click on the Add Question button. Select the type of question you would like to ask. For example, I will be taking multiple choice and adding choices to select from. Step 4. Enter the question text and any options or instructions that you would like to include. As in my case, I would be asking the parents if the seminar conducted was helpful for them, and options as yes or no. When you are finished creating your form, click on the Send button in the top right corner of the screen. You can choose to send the form via email, share the link to the form, or embed the form on a website. With Google Forms, teachers can also create surveys, quizzes, and feedback forms to assess student understanding and monitor student progress. For more such tech tips from Innerscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.